Okay, welcome everyone. Kevin LaRocca here with Bonnie Pro Strategies. Today is Monday, March 25th of 2019. I'm going to do a recap here on all the trades that I made today. Overall, the day was very choppy. In fact, I haven't seen a day like this in a long time. It was really difficult to get on the right side of any trades. But I want to kind of show you how I handled it. It's something that I've talked a lot about in my videos. And that is, I always start the day. You can see here, let's go back to the very beginning of the day. You can see I started the day, and it just seems like nothing I touched. I mean, a lot of these trades would just hit me at the very last 30 seconds. I mean, it would be profitable, and then it'd hit me the last 30 seconds. It was extremely choppy, but that's why I always do one lots. And I think this is real important. If you have the size account where you can do one lots, then I think it's important that you kind of test the water, so to speak. You kind of see how the market is reacting, to your price. What kind of fills are you getting? Are you finding that, you're getting tagged at the very last, 30 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds? That tells you a lot about the condition of the market. So you can see I started off with the ones. I think my first three trades were all losers. But you notice something here, what I did, and I talk about this a lot. If I'm going to be getting in, and finding that I just can't hit a trade, I'm going to back off. And you can see I backed off for almost 2 hours here. I came back, did some ones again, and then I saw some really nice trades. I did some size, okay? And then you notice what happened. I went back to ones. It was about a couple hours later again, and I came back and I did some one lots, and then I hit some tens, then I went some one lots and tens. And that's kind of what you have to do. Now, the hardest thing, so minus 217.50, not bad considering where I've been over the last, several weeks. But one of the hardest things I think a lot of traders have is being able to pull the trigger after you've had a series of losses. And I think one thing is real important is that when you're looking at, when you're trading live, I think the worst thing you could do is continue to look at what your account balance is, because if you start focusing on your money and your losses, you're going to have a really difficult time taking a trade, because some of your best trades are going to be trades that don't look very good, and some of your worst trades are going to be the trades that look really good. So I think what a lot of people do is they say, well, I'm just going to wait until I have, the absolute perfect setup. Well, those trades aren't always going to be your best trades. I mean, some will, some won't, depending on what kind of pattern you're looking at, but and how well you can read the market. But for a lot of people, I think they freeze up. They look at the equity, say, oh, I'm down $100 or 200 from the night before. I either got to hit it hard and get myself back going again, or I need to really back off and not take these trades that are coming up. And you kind of just end up in a downward spiral. So I think one little tip would be, when you put your account, when you set up your account, and you come in the morning, don't look at your equity. Try to remove it. Don't even look at what your account balance is. Don't even pay attention to that. I mean, you're going to know kind of where you're on mentally just by kind of how your trades are going, but you don't really need to see that as well. And it's a really hard thing to do. The other suggestion is, if you're starting with a really small account, you're going to have to wait around a lot. You can't be making 5-6 trades a day. You're going to have to find a couple nice strong patterns and wait for those patterns to develop, which is kind of what I do when I'm doing size. But I'm still trading my signals, and I'm only putting size on when I see a really strong trade. So small accounts, be patient. All you need is 1 or 2 really good trades a day to make money. And then as you build your account, you can start doing some size. But anyway, not a bad day, not a great day, just, 217.50. I can make that back in a couple size trades. Usually when the morning is like this, or the day is like this, the night trading is really good. So I'm really looking forward to coming in tonight and doing some trading. If you'd like to see how I do at night, go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, get on my email list, and I'll keep you updated on all the trades. Also, if you want to get a hold of my free fundamental video, by giving me your email address, you will get a link to the free fundamental video that talks about one of my 2 strategies called core strategy, which is what I used primarily today, was a core strategy. and a few nibble trades and a few crystal ball trades. But the majority were all from the core strategy. And that's pretty much what I've been focusing on the last several weeks. So anyhow, that's it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you like my videos. And get on, please subscribe as well so I can make sure you get the latest updates on any new educational videos I'm going to be putting out. And I should have one out here shortly, talk about how to transition from a demo account to a live account. There are some things that you need to be aware of. It's not as difficult as you think, but a lot of it's just mental. And I think the video is going to help a lot of people finally make that flip from going from a demo to a live account. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll be back tomorrow. Do some night trading tonight, and then I'll be back tomorrow with my daily recap. Have a good night.